Good morning, students. In the previous class, I told you about relation between ratios of coefficients and system of equations. Relationship between ratios and system of equations. So what is the conditions though? If system of equations they give like this, if a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the pair of system of equations. By comparing these ratios, if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the pair of equations represents intersecting lines. We will get unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, we will get coincident lines and has infinite number of solutions. Sorry, equal to a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, you will get parallel lines and has no solution. So in the previous class already I told you about all these conditions. Now based on these conditions, if they give any unknown coefficients, so if they give pair of linear equations, among these pair of linear equations they give unknown quantities, unknown variables they give. So based on these conditions, they give any one of these conditions. Based on these conditions, you have to find that unknown coefficient. So that we have to discuss now. Page number 83. In page number 83, once you observe the try this, first problem is page number 83, try this. In that first problem, for what value of p, for what value of p the following pair of equations has unique solution. The following pair of equations has unique solution. For what value of p, the following pair of equations has unique solution. First equation is 2x plus py equal to minus 5. Second one is 3x plus 3y equal to and 3x plus 3y equal to minus 6. 2x plus py equal to minus 5 and 3x plus 3y equal to minus 6. These are the pair of equations they gave. And what is the condition they gave? These pair of equations have unique solution. Here you have to find the unknown quantity p. That unknown coefficient p value you have to find. So what are the problems you done in the previous class? In the same way you have to do. First what you have to do? You have to compare the given equations. What are the given equations? 2x plus py. Transposing minus 5 this side, it becomes plus 5 equal to 0. Next equation is 3x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Now comparing these two equations with what are the system of linear equations? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now comparing with these two ratios, what are the values here? Comparing first equation with first equation. Here x coefficient is a1, here x coefficient is 2. So a1 equal to 2, here y coefficient is b1, here y coefficient is p. b1 equal to p. Here c1 coefficient, there is no coefficient, means coefficient is 1. Here this value is 5. So c1 equal to 5. This is constant. Constant is c1 here, here constant is 5. Similarly for the next equation, x coefficient is 3. a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to 3, constant c2 equal to 6. Now finding the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 3, b1 by b2 equal to p by 3, c1 by c2 equal to 5 by 6. What is the condition they give? The pair of equations has unique solution. Given the pair of equations has unique solution. So if the pair of equations has unique solution, then what is the condition we have? a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So what are the values here? Therefore a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. What is a1 here? 2. 2 by 3 not equal to p by 3. So here denominators are same. So removing the denominators, p not equal to 2. P not equal to 2. That means p value అనేది 2 ఉండకూడదు. 2 తప్ప ఏదైనా ఉండొచ్చు. అంటే అప్పుడు ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? Therefore p equal to, from the set of real numbers you can remove that singleton set 2, only 2. రియల్ నెంబర్స్ లో 2 కాకుండా p కి ఏ వాల్యూ అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఇక్కడ వరకైనా రాయొచ్చు p not equal to 2 is the solution. Otherwise p equal to set of real numbers minus singleton set 2. So in this way you can find any unknown coefficient if they give condition. So for this problem, what is the condition they give? The pair of equations has unique solution. So based on that condition, if the pair of equations has unique solution, then what is the condition we have? a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. By using that condition, we are finding p value. In the same way, you can do next problem also. So second problem. Similarly, second problem. Find the value of k represent parallel lines. For second one, they gave the directly, I am writing the solution, they gave the equations 2x minus ky plus 3 equal to 0, 4x plus 6y minus 5 equal to 0. They gave these pair of equations represent parallel lines. Then you have to find k value. Now similarly in same manner you have to do. First what you have to do? Comparing with given system of linear equations. So comparing with what are the system of linear equations? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here a1 value is 2, b1 equal to minus k, c1 equal to 3. Similarly a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to 6, c2 equal to minus 5. Now what is the condition they gave? These pair of equations represent parallel lines. Given The above pair of equations represent parallel lines. Represent parallel lines. So these pair of equations represent parallel lines. For parallel lines, what is the condition we have? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B. Sorry, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So what is A1 by A2 here? 2 by 4 equal to minus K by 6 not equal to 3 by minus 5. So when we comparing these two ratios, 4 into minus K, minus 4K equal to 2 into 6. K equal to 2 6 are 12 by minus 4, 4 1s are 4 3s are. That implies K equal to minus 3. So in this problem they gave these two pair of linear equations, and what is the condition they gave? These pair of equations represent parallel lines. Then you have to find the value of this unknown coefficient K. So comparing these equations with system of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Comparing this, a1 equal to 2, a2 equal to 4, b1 equal to minus k, b2 equal to 6, c1 equal to 3 and c2 equal to minus 5. Comparing the equations, because they gave the given pair of equations represent parallel lines, therefore the condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Substituting these values in this condition, you will get k value as k equal to minus 3. Similarly, we can do third and fourth problems also. For third problem they give, for what value of k the pair of equations 3x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 and 9x plus 12y plus k equal to 0 represent coincident lines. So next ilane two equations icharu, condition em icharu, pair of equations represent coincident lines ani icharu. Coincident lines ante ikkada condition em vaali, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 annadi. Rasi p value find, k value find out cheyali. Third one, for what value of what positive values of p the following pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. So next problem, infinitely many solutions. Next word, infinitely many solutions, nothing but coincident lines. Coincident lines means what is the condition we have? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So by using this condition, you have to find the unknown coefficient P here. So in this way you have to do. In page number 83, already first problem, and try this first problem, second problem I told. Third and fourth problems in the same manner you have to do. So these two problems you have to complete. Today's session we will do the remaining problems in the next session. Thank you.